Howdy, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. This is an episode on Jetboost. Now, Jetboost is a very simple tool. If you use Webflow, and I use Webflow a lot for very simple little website builds. If you use Webflow to build websites, it's a very awesome, amazing functional tool. I've done previous videos on it. And you want to add a bit more functionality to those Webflow tools, right? Those Webflow websites. You can use Jetboost to create real-time search, dynamic filtering, and more. So let's say you have a job board, right? You're creating some awesome job board on Webflow, and you want people to be able to sort through your Webflow thing. Or maybe you have a ton of blog articles. You want people to be able to sort and search through your blog articles, or filter them, or do anything like that. Basically, that's what it lets you do. Webflow doesn't have those tools integrated directly in the platform, and JetBoost basically just lets you do that. That's all. So highly, highly recommend it. If you're building a bit more of a functional kind of database, data-driven Webflow site, and if you are, JetBoost can probably make it a whole lot more high quality. So let me know if that makes sense. I'll see you on the next episode. Let me know if you have any questions, of course, about things that you could build with JetBoost and Webflow. So peace.